Hi, I'm Bodybuilding.com master coach and sports dietitian Jess Isaacs, bringing you the 3 R's of recovery. After moderate, hard, or long duration physical activity, whether you're trying to lose, gain, or maintain muscle mass, there's a few things that we need to do in order to replete and repair our bodies properly. These steps help us to recover from the training session that we just had, promoting muscle growth and repair, but it also helps to prime our body for that next training session. If you're not nailing your post-workout or recovery nutrition, you might notice increased fatigue, whether during physical activity or at work or at school. You might notice increased muscle soreness or impaired performance, or you might not just be achieving your goals for the work that you're putting in at the gym. The ideal post-workout or recovery nutrition window starts immediately after finishing physical activity to about 45 to 60 minutes after finishing physical activity. If it's not likely you're going to finish your workout, get home, and get this snack in within that time frame, then it's probably a good idea to pack something and bring it with you. Now let's dive into the 3 R's of recovery. The first R of recovery, I think, is a no-brainer for most people. We need to repair our muscles, and this is accomplished with protein. The appropriate amount varies person to person based on body size and some other factors, but in order to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, which is how we repair and grow our muscles, we need to aim for at least 10 grams of a leucine-rich protein source, and 15 to 20 grams of protein is usually a good target for most people. Leucine is an amino acid, which are the building blocks of protein. Leucine-rich foods include animal-based proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy, as well as soy products and soy protein powders, and you'll also find leucine in pea-based protein powders. The second R of recovery is the one that I see athletes and active humans sleeping on the most. After physical activity, we need to refuel our body, and this is done with carbohydrates. This is the part of recovery where we're priming our body for that next training session. During physical activity, our body uses the energy stored in our muscles, in our liver. This is called glycogen, and this is stored carbohydrate. The longer and harder you're training, the more of this glycogen you're using. You can think of this like a gas tank. After a workout, you could have half a tank of gas left, or you could be riding around on E. And post-workout is the perfect time to put gas back into our muscles. We're looking for a 3-to-1 carb to protein ratio, meaning 3 grams of carbohydrates for every 1 gram of protein. So if we're aiming for 15 to 20 grams of protein, then we're looking for 45 to 60 grams of carbohydrates in our recovery snack. The final R of recovery is rehydrate. During our workout, we lose fluids and electrolytes through our sweat and respiration. And just like we want to replace the carbohydrates that we use, we also want to replace the fluid and electrolytes that we lose. Everyone's sweat rate and sweat content is different, but one way you can figure out how much to rehydrate with is by weighing yourself before and after physical activity. For every pound that you lose, consume 16 ounces of fluid. Pro tip, do this in as little clothing as possible, because after your workout, your clothing is going to be retaining your sweat. Now let's put this all together with some post-workout snacks that check all of these boxes. Post-workout snack number 1 is chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is an easy and affordable way to get the appropriate protein, carbohydrates, fluid, and electrolytes that your body needs to recover properly. Post-workout snack number 2 is a Greek yogurt bowl. Top this with berries or fruit of your choice, add some granola and some honey, and then pair it with some fluids. Post-workout snack number 3 is a turkey sandwich. Pair this with a sports drink and you're checking all the boxes. Snack idea number 4 is a protein and fruit smoothie. You could use either a whey protein powder, a soy-based protein powder, or a pea-based protein powder. Post-workout snack number 5 is a nice easy gym bag post-workout snack. A protein bar and a piece of fruit like a banana. Make sure to check the label and ensure that that protein bar has at least 10 grams of protein. Thanks for watching. I'm Coach Jessica. Stay tuned for more ways to build your body from Bodybuilding.com.